Today we're going to be looking at a crucible. The seller sent this to us in exchange for a video. All the views and opinions and things in it are my own.
In the box, you will have pretty much everything you need to melt metal, including aluminum, which is what we're going to be melting in this video. However, there are a few crucial pieces that we're missing that we would recommend you have if you are going to melt metal like we are in this video. The first one is a rigidizer. You want to apply this to all of the insulation and let it completely dry before you use it. This is the rigidizer that we're using.
It's flame proof, but you want to make sure that you put an application of silicone paint on there, because that way it makes it harder and then the fibers aren't able to escape. Everything's good and labeled. This was packaged nice. Use inside the furnace. All right. It comes with everything that you need. It comes with the Teflon tape. You want to make sure that it's good and snug. Hand tight's acceptable for this side.
Our dog is freaking out, so.
This side, I will get a pair of channel locks on. After the crucible is got the melted metal in it, you can set it on there and then re-grab it with the dipper tongs.
It sounds like a jet engine almost.
There. Now we have to let these both cool a little bit more, and then we're going to melt some aluminum.
That didn't work out well. It fell in.
Technically, you're supposed to use something like this, but what we're going to do is a lot funner.
Oh, well, isn't that fun? Oh, can you scoop that out of there? This is why a slag spoon is really important, and it did not come with this, and we don't have one. So if you purchase this, make sure you get yourself a slag spoon, because otherwise you have this wonderful grossness that's left behind that you should remove before you put it into the mold. You made a Christmas tree.
That'll break off with a hammer. I mean, for a first go for a beginner, this is a great setup. It's missing a couple pieces, like a slag spoon would be helpful, so things like that don't happen. And that's the big part of it. Other than that, though, it's a good product, and I really can get into this now because of this product. It technically is not self-cleaning, but if you get the aluminum and you only stick with aluminum, it heats up enough to where it cleans itself up pretty gosh darn good.